SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Myself, Assistant Professor Sabah Sheikh. Today we are going to see very important topic, importance of technology in corporate communication from subject CCPR, SYBA MMC. Let's see. Topic which we are covered in this module. First topic is the concept of importance of technology of corporate communication. Second, how it is helped to corporate communication, emerging trends, roles and importance, limitations of corporate communication. Let's see one by one. If we are talking about the concept of corporate communication, it means technology is the faster and the wider means of communication. This will include the interaction with your teams, your clients, customer, investor or the general public, shareholder and the other employees in your organization. Technology is also reduce the cost of enable business more efficient. For example, if we are conducting one conference meeting online Zoom, it will reduce our cost, save our time and save our money also. It is reduce our expenses and it is also helpful the employee from we are interact and reach one place to another place for employees easily. Here you can see the technology has changed our life influencing in major sector. It is also helping the transportation, health, business and communication. If we are talking about the technology impact, technology is the greater impact the way of communication. It means there is no choice. We are not adopt the technology, but it is if we are talking about the changes, changing is the inevitable. Changes is the not portable. If we are talking about the changes, it means we are living from the new world of technology. We are followed from the traditional method to the technology, and in the corporate, we are also use the corporate technology. If we are talking about the impact of technology of communication, if you can see here in my slide, without technology, it will take the 15 days, and with technology, about it is the things which should be a 15 seconds. If we are talking about the old or traditional method, it will take the most of the time consuming. We are draft the letter, post in the post office, and after that they are reading to the audience. And we are talking about the new technology. We will draft the message via internet, e-messaging or the another social media website, WhatsApp, and click on the send button. The message will be send it to the end user or the audience. There are the greater impact of the technology, without technology and with technology. Our next topic is the how technology help in the communication. Here you can see the technology help in communication in the other reason, like the easier sharing of information, faster and reliable communication, communication to a wider audience, higher productivity and lower cost, reduce language barrier. Now we can discuss one by one. Easier sharing of information. Technology allows us to quick and easy share documents, message, data with our colleagues, clients and the partners. This means the no printing, mailing document. Everything can be done by the electronic. It will be save our money and resources. If we are saying sharing our information means we are share information from one party to another party. The another party will be our client, our investor, our shareholder. We are not sending the hard copy. We are sending the email and electronic medium, which is use our loss of they reduce our cost. Our next is the faster and reliable. If we are talking about the faster and reliable communication, yes, it will be. Because if we are using the technology, it will be very faster. Nowadays in the market having the 4G, 5G internet connection, and it is a reliable, because if you are follow the third party, two party via communication, it will be the mislead or misinformation. But if you are direct communicate in the organization via the technology, it will be the very useful. If you are see here, the faster and reliable communication with the tool like email, video conferencing and the instant message technology able to communication in real time. Here you have the draft the message, click on the send button, the message and audience to read that your message. This means we can immediately respond, quick feedback and avoiding the delay of like the traditional method. It is always the fast communication method. Our next heading is communication is the wider audience. If we are talking about the communication is the wider audience, it means our social network, internet and the connection, it will help to reach the large number of target audience at a one time. Through the internet, social media, it also helps to reach the global audience. Nowadays, we are chit-chat with our national or international friends and we are doing our business on the global method and the global way. And if you can see the broadcast media message that can be announcement and the marketing material help to our world expanding your reading and the customer base. And if you are saying about the customer audience wider target, if you are posted some message somewhere on channel, you are doing one ad in one channel, one can see that ad, they can understand what kind of message you want to deliver that person. It is very useful in modern technology and the technology used in the corporate communication. And our next point is the higher productivity and the lower cost. It means it will take low time and the low productivity cost, and it will the high the quality of our product and the high the outcome. It means also another name is the utilization of resources. It means technology is the automation, routine task, reducing the needs of manual labor and paperwork. This will increase the productivity but also reduce the operational cost. This is the example of the lower expansion. For example, we are using the chatbot for handling customer inquiries for 24/7 without human intention. It means we are doing communication from one party to another party. We are having a sales department, we are having a service center, or we are having a customer service center. In there we are using the chatbot, AI, Alexa. It will be very too much helpful because if they are facing some customer have any issue, they can handle it our network and we can solve that problem by the using of AI or chatbot. Our last heading is the language reduce barrier, because with the help of the technology we can also translate our script in a different language, because in the software nowadays having a different translation tool and software helps to break down language barrier. You can also communicate with people in a different language, allowing to inclusive and interactive in the corporate world. If you have to interact with different caste of the people, you can select one language and you can talk with the another language, and after that we can say that you can also change our language and you can translate your script. And our second heading is the emerging trend in communication technology. They are having several points or different points. First is the cloud computing, big data analytics, automation, artificial intelligence and smart machine, 5G or 5th generation of mobile network. Let's discuss one by one. First is cloud computing. What is meant by cloud computing? If I am talking about the cloud computing, it means our data is somewhere stored in the cloud. Whenever I want to access that data and use that data, we can log in our Gmail and password, we can access our data. Cloud computing is also very useful for maintaining the data record, because if you are manually recording our data, it is most difficult to maintain our database, because we lost the data, hacker problem, PC problem, and we are lost the connectivity. But if we are helping with the cloud computing, it is the instead of storing data of software of your local computer. Data computing allow to access them all over the internet is like the retaining space and internet store run your program, making data application accessible from anywhere in any internet connection, anywhere and anytime. Okay. And our next topic, next heading is the big data analytic. If I am talking about the big data analytic, it means the data refer that set of the information. Big data analytic is also using for the powerful and the algorithm analysis. This data is valuable insight. It is the business help to inform decision after understand their customer. We are also using the help of the technology. We are also the help the data analytic. Okay, we are analytic. We are collected the data and added some things, and we are doing the some algebraic, and we are connected our data in the with the help of the technology, and we are come to the conclusion point with the help of the technology. And our next point is the automation. If I am talking about the automation, yes, corporate communication is also the automation, because the means of technology used to perform task automation without the human intention. For example, auto email reply response. If you can see, you have to drop some query at the message, you get instant reply. What is that? It is the automation. It means we are not assigning one manual man there at that time. It automatically it is the reply to you. If we are talking about the automation is save our time and money and the efforts of our human resource. If our next heading is the AI and the smart machine. AI means artificial and intelligent. AI involves the computer machine making human intelligence. A smart machine or the voice assistant, for example Siri and Alexa, can understand the response spoken language. They use various applications from customer service, chatbots and the self-driving car. If I am talking about the smart machine and AI, the smart machine and AI with very useful nowadays. Nowadays the people are using the Google Assistant or voice assistant for making their work easily, like for example of Siri or Alexa, and the nowadays Google have also some chatbots. And our next application is also coming in the market. This drive our car. This is called the self-drive car. It is assisted by the human and drive his car is automatically. And our last pointer in that, it is the 5G or the fifth generation of mobile network. If I am talking about the 5G or fifth generation of mobile network, it is the latest mobile network in the technology. It offers much faster internet speed and the low delay time. This means you can download and upload faster and the gradual technology like the video streaming, virtual reality and the internet of things and the device. If you are talking about the 5G network, the 5G network is the most faster for the movie downloading, streaming any reels, videos, and you can also download movie very easily and the faster. The 5G generation is taking the most capable for the market, and nowadays it is the most useful and the famous. And our next topic is the role and importance of technology in corporate communication. If I am talking about the roles and importance of technology in corporate communication, there are having several different points. First is security, second decision making, save time and money, better customer support, business communication, market and business growth, resource management and globalization. Let's discuss one by one. First is the security. If I am talking about the security, it means technology keeps awareness about the company information safe from the hacker and unauthorized access, like the digital lock or protecting valuable data. If I am talking about the security, first technology is helps to secure our data. They are not leaking our data from the one place to hacker and one party to our competitor. It is very useful for the secure our data. And our second point is the decision making. If I am talking about the decision making, yes, technology is helpful to analyze our data and encompass or the engage our data for our guidance to give the right direction. It will help the business leader gather the data quickly to make informed decision, and the digital compass guiding them the right direction. And our next point is the save time and money. If I am talking about the save time and money, yes, technology is the automation task, reduce the needs and the manual worker and the paperwork, which is the save both time and money. And our next point is the better customer support. If I am talking about the better customer support, it is enable company to assist the customer, faster growth, chat box, email, phone, providing quick and helpful solution. And if I am talking about the business communication ensure the efficient time and communication within the company, making sure everyone into the same page, because we are not worrying about the one another zone. It is very dangerous for our the business. That is why we are having to the business communication. And our next point is the marketing and business growth. If I am talking about the market and business growth, it means we are reach the large number of audience at a one time. And our next is the resource management and globalization. Technology is also the main aim to adjust our resources efficiently and allow to business to global scale and connecting with the partners and the customer and the shareholder and the stakeholder in the worldwide. And last is our topic is the limitation of technology in corporate communication. Here we can say every coin have the two sides, positive or negative. Here you can say also the negative side of our corporate communication, like the privacy risk, too much information, misunderstanding. Technology has the expenses 24/7 pressure. Let's discuss one by one. Our first is privacy risk. Technology can something expose sensitive information if not properly secured, like the door or to security unlock. It means if we are not proper security protection doing in our cyber, it will lose our data. Our next point is the too much information. With the help of technology, we are gathered the too much information. They are like to try the drinking water from the firehouse. It means we are getting the lots of data. We are not about what is the correct, what is the wrong. It is having the chance of the too much information. And our next point is the misunderstanding. If I am talking about the technology is very useful, it is also the next part is the misunderstanding. Yes, now because it is a one way of communication, it is not proper way to communicate with any other, and we cannot say the physical expression, facial expression, voice tone, and misleading the interpretation of the message. And next point is the technology is the expenses. Yes, if our technology is very easy, it is also expenses. Implementation of maintaining technology solution can be costly, like the buying high and the end user 24/7 pressure. Thanks of the technology, it is helpful by 24/7, but is it also the pressure work to the end user for leading the constant reply availability, like having your phones ringing all the time and you have to deal with all time. It is not the rest period. This is all about the importance of technology and how to corporate communication, helps, importance, limitation, and health benefits. Thank you everyone for your attention.